Good morning everyone, I'm Nisha. Welcome to my new another video. So in today's video, my dear friend, I am going to talk about conversation practice. Yes, you got me right, conversation practice. But I'm not going to share with you any tips and technique how you should do. I know you are quite well at it, but something I want to tell you, aware you, which I got aware recently, which I learned recently. So you can say that I'm going to share with you my one of recent experience which I acquired my on and on. So my friend, you are English learner and you must know this, but something special I'm going to do in this video, that the thing I'm going to share with you, I will tell you in a storytelling way. So without further ado, let's start the video. So the story I have created for making you understand, to make you clarify, the thing, the message I want to give you. This story goes like this. There are two persons named Ramu and Syamu. Both are English learner and aware of importance of conversation practice, listening and all. So they also do conversation practice. Why? Because conversation is only one by which they are going to build the confidence to talk with the people. They are going to build fluency, and they are going to make them eligible to talk about anything else in English. So Ramu does 1 hour practice, conversation practice, whereas Syamu does 20-minute conversation practice. Between them 40-minute gap. So my friend, who will improve more according to timing? I think your answer is Ramu. Why? Because Ramu does 1 hour practice, whereas Syamu does 20 minutes. But this story doesn't end here. Give your attention more and listen it carefully. Ramu does conversation randomly, without preparation, in the same repeated way, about normal things and complete his hour. Whereas Syamu does 20-minute conversation, but he decides every single day what kind of conversation he wants to do. He should do. He decide his activities, what he is going to perform, what he is going to do in his conversation. He has always new to share and always curious to learn from others. So Syamu always be prepared for conversation. So my friend, now tell me, whose practice is more meaningful, more productive? I'm sure your answer is Syamu. Why? Because Samu decide what he is going to do, how he is going to do. He think about his timing, his activities. He prepared himself before going into conversation, and that's how he make his conversation practice, his 20-minute, more meaningful, more productive than Ramu. So my friend, this story you listen. Now you tell me, what do you learn from this story? You learn from this story that quantity doesn't matter a lot, but quality matter a lot. You have hour or minute, that doesn't matter, but how you use, what activities you do, how you are focused in that's matter a lot. So आपके पास आवर है और मिनट है, डजंट थिंक अबाउट दैट. Think always what meaningful, what productive, what fruitful you are going to do in that time. That is going to more fruitful, productive, meaningful, and lead you towards improvement, growth, success. So if you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, don't regret for that. Use your 5-10 minutes and make meaningful, productive. Even 2 minutes can be made productive and meaningful. So how you can do, my friend? For that you have to prepare yourself that what kind of activity you should do, which will give you more result, more meaningful. You have to think, you have to ask, decide activities, prepare yourself before doing that one. And in this way, in less time, with meaningful work, with dedication, with preparation, you will get more result, productive result. And this lesson which I'm sharing with you, I realized recently. And who helped me? Book reading helped me. I was doing the same thing, like Ramu. But thank God I have the habit of reading book, and from there I realized my on and on. And now do preparation every day about my conversation practice, about my listening, about my reading, and want to make more meaningful, more productive. So I thought the way I was doing, maybe you people are also doing blindly and thinking that I do 1 hour and that's how I'm going to become fluent. I'm going to, you know, you will, but that will take more time. If you want, you know, result in less time, then you have to be focused, you have to be dedicated and decide your activities, decide your work, be focused how you can get out more result in less time. And how you can do? By preparation, by observation, my friend. Don't think about your time, how many minutes you have. So this is what I wanted to share it with you, my friend. Thank God I got to know it. And now I hope, my friend, you understood how you should use your time, your effort in productive way, how you should use your energy, your all energy, to do something productive and meaningful, and you know to get a better result. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meeting next video. Have a nice day.